Hello all, my name is Rakesh and my USN is 4MH17CS068. Now I am going to explain about the internship, what I have done and the project creation of website called Spiral Inventory Management System under the guidance of Professor Kavipriya ML. I have done my internship at Beta Technologies Service Private Limited. This Beta Technologies was registered in 2012, situated in Mysore, Chamandipuram. It is specialized in innovative embedded and IT solutions and complex software project development. This company combines fundamental algorithm research activities with practical application programming, embedded and integration, electronic development, custom embedded system, testing and production. It mainly focuses on leveraging new technologies using proven and cost-effective method for each client. Working with customer to achieve their business objective is the highest priority. In Beta Technologies, work does not stop at delivery of services. They continuously improve their processes, improve skill set of workforce, increase their capacities. The actual work done during the internship was gaining a good understanding of a product called Spiral Inventory Management System, where my job was to understand and create the registration login page, part document page, and the part repair form page. And I also learned how to develop a web application and website using HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and MySQL. The skills that I've learned here is HTML, CSS, JavaScript and C#.NET. HTML5 is a core technology markup language of the internet used for structuring and presenting content from the World Wide Web. In the 5th edition revision of HTML standards from the 4th and as of December 2012 is the candidate recommendation of the World Wide Web. Its core aim has been to improve the language with support from the latest multimedia while keeping it easily readable by humans and consistently understood by computers and devices. Coming to JavaScript, JavaScript, often abbreviated as JS, it is a programming language that comes from ECMA script specification. JavaScript is a high-level, often just-in-time compiled and multi-paradigm. It is curly braces syntax, dynamic typing, prototype-based, object-oriented, and first-class function. Coming to Bootstrap is a free and open-source CSS framework directed at responsive, mobile-first front-end web development. It contains CSS and JavaScript based design template. Coming to CSS, CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of the document written in markup language such as HTML. CSS is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web along HTML and JavaScript. CSS is designed to enable the separation of presentation and content, including layout, colors, and fonts. This separation can improve content accessibility, provide more flexibility and control in the specification of presentation characteristics, enable multiple web pages to share information by specifying the relevant CSS in an separate .css file, which reduces complexity and repetition in the structural content, as well as enabling this .css file to be cached to improve the page load speed between the pages that share the file and its formatting. ASP.NET is an open source server-side web application framework designed for web development to provide dynamic web pages. It was developed by Microsoft to allow programmers to build dynamic websites, web applications, and web servers. MySQL is an open source relevant database management system. Its name is combination of the name of the co-founder, and SQL, the abbreviation of structured query language. The relational database organizes data into one or more data tables in which data types may be related to each other. This relation helps structure the data. SQL is a language programmers use to create, modify, and extract data from the relational database as to control the access to the database. Coming to the non-technical skills, the ability to accept and apply feedback from others. Some skills related to teamwork, including the ability to negotiate with others and to recognize and appreciate diversity in the team. Work on time, completing the task in a timely manner, stay focused and stay organized. Now I am going to explain about the website where I have worked. It goes likely, the first step is identifying the problem statement. Here most of the inventory management system are done using the tools such as a spreadsheet, which might cause the unsynchronized and duplication of data. Moreover, the reports are saved in the form of hard copy, not saved in a single database. Secondly, the methodology goes like this. Spirent inventory management system is an inventory management system where a user login and searches for the part by using the part ID and selecting the likely to return the data. If the part is available from the given information, he can rent it. These are the screenshot of the work. The first one is the login page. The above page was being created by using the HTML for designing, CSS for styling the web page, and JavaScript for the form validation, and Bootstrap for responsive web pages. Here the logistic user will log in using his credentials. If the credentials are invalid, then the error message will be displayed to notify the user. In the form document page, here the logistic user log in his credential. He can view the documents by providing the document ID. And here the parts repair form page, here logistic user will fill the required fields when a part needs to be required. Once he has filled all the fields, he will click the submit button. This will notify that the mentioned parts needs to be sent to the repair. This is the internship certificate what I have got from the company. Thank you.
Thank you.